Hey guys, it's Riley here again with Learn With Me. And I'm just kind of here to do a video about how I'm starting seedlings for the fall right now. And I know before you guys get into saying that it might be a bit too late to do certain crops. Like I said, I just like gardening, so I just like if I have to bring a plant in, I have to bring it in. If it is to die, it's gonna die. Who cares? I just like growing stuff, and I have a bunch of random seeds, and they'll probably get old or just go bad anyway if I don't use them. So, I mean, it's cool to see what I can get to growing and how far I can take it. So, this is gonna be a quick video. So, let's get to it. Alright, on my lovely stove, you can see that I have a purple sweet potato plant. And I have these like little containers that I got from Dollar Tree. That's what they're called. Yeah, this is not their intended usage, but I have filled these containers with like wet napkins and put some seeds on it, and just kind of got some seeds started with it because it just kind of that keeps the moisture and stuff, and that has been doing me wonderful. Like, it's crazy. I think I might just do this in the future for it because it just gives it so much room to grow up, and heck, I might even try to even do microgreens that way. But like I said, this is just kind of what I'm doing. And here I'm just growing sweet potatoes, sweet potato slips, and it helps with these that I can hopefully get them in the ground soon enough that like I might even have like a small yield by sometime in the next couple months. I mean, it gets pretty warm here, like even deep into Memphis, like deep into like the winter. Like I remember one Christmas a few years ago where like I think it was like 80 degrees at Christmas. It was just completely weird. But yeah, I'll show you shortly just how I'm like cutting these off and like trying to get them to produce roots. Okay, so here is what I'm kind of doing right here. Kind of made like a little sloppy little rig here with a jar and paper towels to kind of hold up these slips. Now, while most of them won't take, I just kind of wanted to see what would happen. I have another jar of slips that I'm kind of waiting for them to develop roots too, but I kind of just wanted to see what would work. And when I turn this around, you can see that, see all those roots? Like that's all from this guy right here. Like that's just pretty crazy to me. But yeah, I'll probably plant this sometime tomorrow and hope for the best. It would be cool to get some purple sweet potatoes. I'm definitely excited for it. But yeah, that's kind of what I got going on here. And you can see here, there's like a lot of leafy green seeds coming up. And this one, I think that's a bunch of chamomile. I mean, I highly recommend getting these things and kind of using them to help start growing stuff. And the potato slips, you just gotta, and with the like getting potato slips, like one thing I've noticed that you just gotta make sure to get the sweet potato growing from the right side. My other ones I've done videos about, those were upside down, but they still somehow managed to work out. So I'm gonna cut these off here in the next few days or so, and then sit them in some water like these and see if I can get it to work. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing right now. And I don't know, I'm just trying to figure it out, and like I said, just kind of enjoy it. I'm kind of just using it for stress relief, and I'll figure it out. And if turns out to not work out, then at least I have these videos so I can at least document my failures. So at least I got that going for me on the internet. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or anything, just feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys later, and you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful week. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions, or you just want to say hey. I'll try to respond to all comments at all times, and you guys keep it breezy.